In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Node.js on Windows 10, 11. Open the Google in the browser and search for download Node.js for Windows. And you will get the first link for downloading the Node.js. Click here, and here you will find the installer for Windows. So I will click on select Windows, then x64, and click on the download. So you can see Node.js is downloaded. I will click on the installer file, and now you can see it is preparing to install Node.js on Windows. Click next and accept the license agreement. Click next, and here you can change the installation path, but I will leave this as the default value. Now click next, and these are the different options that you can select or deselect. I will leave this as default one. Click next and click next, and finally click on the install button. So you can see the installer is installing Node.js. Now the Node.js is successfully installed on the Windows 10. Click finish to exit the installer. Open the command prompt and type node.js node -- version, and you can see the version of Node that we installed. So this way you can install Node.js on Windows 10. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel.